What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to create a Social Blade account, and I'm gonna show you how to find your channel is the easiest way. So let's jump right into it. The first step is to go on Google and search for Social Blade. So let's do exactly that. Now click on the first link that pops up. It should look like this. And now you're on their official site. And at the top, you have a couple of options here: Business API, Community Discord, FAQ. But what we're interested in, it's Register. Click on Register. And now you can begin to create your Social Blade account. First things first, you will need an email. So make sure you have one. Good. After you filled in your email, you have to create a display name. Now create a password. Good. Now confirm your password. And they're gonna ask you if you want to receive emails from their community newsletter. I don't want to receive emails, so I'm gonna check the option no. Now you gotta check I'm not a robot and click register. As you can see, account created successfully. You can now log in, and yeah, that's basically it on how you create a Social Blade account. Now I'm gonna show you how to find your channel, because sometimes maybe your channel doesn't have a lot of subscribers like mine. So if I search for sign up, it won't show. Let's see. As you can see, it shows me a different channel. So if I want to find my channel, you go on your channel and you copy this part, then you paste it here. You click enter, and you can see I have my channel here. And now I can see how my channel it's looking. Yeah, that's basically it for today. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.